Hello and welcome back to the 15 Uke Song Challenge. We are really making our way through this challenge. Today's song is easy. You can memorize it like by the end of this video if you wanted to. We're really gonna have fun with the strumming patterns. We have down, up, chuck, or down, up, slap, or mute. We also have down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And the strum that we have at the intro is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. And I know that with that one, some of you are gonna want to go back to the island strum. Please don't. Challenge yourself. So let's start at the intro with that strum. Here we go. 1. And G6 is the same as E minor 7. It's 0, 2, 0, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Actually, I played the wrong chord. It should have been G6 sus2. Okay, but you get what I'm trying to do. Now we're going to the verse. So it goes a little bit like this. Waking up to ash and dust, wipe my brow and I sweat my rose, thinning and it goes. Breaking and shaping up and checking out on the prison bar. This is it, the apocalypse. Whoa, I'm breaking. And new strumming and pattern is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. And that's for the chorus. So try it with me. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so I might have lied. There's one more strumming variation in the bridge. So we have single strums. All systems go, sun hasn't died, deep in my bones, straight from inside. Now that last D chord that happens on inside, I would do a down, 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 up, down, up. Because it leads into the chorus and it's the end of the song and it should be dramatic. Okay, so let's try that bridge together. 1, 2, single strums, go. All systems go, sun hasn't died, deep in my bones, straight from it, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 down. I didn't end it there, it should, but if you're really feeling the groove of this, why not repeat the chorus at the end one more time? So there you have it. That's the whole song. I told you it was easy. The creative part here really is in those strumming patterns. Now, if you'd like a full play along of it, join us on Patreon because I'm uploading play-alongs for the patrons. I'm tired. I'm uploading play-alongs for the patrons for all 15 songs. So if you would like those, they are there. We also do a live stream lesson via Zoom. And we all get to jam and learn new songs and learn new things. So join us on Patreon. Special thanks to Enya for sponsoring this challenge. I am really excited to have partnered with them for that. I'm going to link down a few of my favorite Enya ukuleles down below. Please continue uploading your covers of the 15 uke songs. I am loving this, and this is my favorite part of the day when I get to watch you all play around and just enjoy the songs and try new things. So I'll be looking forward to these covers. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next video. Sayonara!